So, here we are, doing another video. This chocolate's good. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, that was a weird intro. I was just eating chocolate. I was like, why not do a video? And today, we're unboxing the Samsung S6 iPhone or phone in midnight black. So let's get it, shall we? I'll do good. Okay. Good old black box. Now we're just gonna. Oh, it's one of those. Here's the phone, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect. And almost put this over here. Okay, classic what you get in pretty much every box. I've got to unlatch this. There was a latch. Okay, just a standard SIM card pull out thing. What else is in here? Just standard instructions. There's something else. And a bag thing. We got some cords and headphones. Got a USB connector. Cool. Got a cord to actually charge the thing. Got two things of headphones. One and two. This one looks a bit more new. I don't know. Maybe one's a bit more stereo. I'll have another piece of chocolate. And I think, yep, that's the only thing I got. Oh wait. No, there's nothing else in the box. Close that right up. We know we're keeping the box. And we want to sell this phone in about 10 years. Let's get to the peeling. Oh, perfect. Okay. Now the phone. I wonder if it's charged.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, it's charged. Okay. Okay. Gotta watch the intro. Samsung. Good old Samsung. And this lock screen 753 it is right now. Put this back up here. Should be better. A little bit crooked. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's get into the phone. Swipe, screen unlock. Oh, hear that noise? I'll turn up. Haven't really used the Samsung before. Cool. Seems normal, I guess. Pretty cool. Now the phone works, let's check out its camera. Thing around. Hey, it's not too bad, you know. Interception. Guys, I'll see if I can get a bit of footage sent over to the video right now. How do I make this thing? Oh my god. This thing's so confusing. Hey guys, right now in the middle of the video. You're probably watching this right now. Okay guys, I just finished that. It's pretty good. I'll see if I can get that later on the phone. Oh, I'm going to show that closing action. I like that. How it goes all into a black screen. Like from the sides. That's really cool. It's, hopefully you didn't miss anything. But yeah, I accidentally turned it off. It was right when I was turning the phone off, and I haven't done anything else. We're about to unbox these headphone things. Looks pretty cool. What does it say on them? AKG. Okay. So first of all, let's peel off the front. Oh, perfect. Oh, I love that. It's not glass though. I don't know why they would put the peel on it. It's just plastic. I love the open up. How to open it. Okay, this is just coming out of this one. This is confusing. Oh no, okay, it's happening now. Pretty cool. Oh, interchangeable earbuds, it seems. Ooh, okay. Let's try these out. They feel good though. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. If this is the first time you've seen my face on your screen, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later, I guess. Got a cool phone. Probably not going to use it though. I already got, I'm using my phone to film right now anyway. So, already got a phone, but I don't know. Probably not, but see you guys next time, I guess. Bye.